Good morning, guys. How are you guys feeling? Today is a great day. I am up early trying to pick up Mr. Mark from work, and I don't know what he told me to do. This is not where we came last time. Yeah, he be driving me crazy for real. Yeah, so that's what we're doing this morning, and I'm gonna see if we can go to that hardware store and get those pieces also. So how are you guys doing this morning? Yeah, he got me in the middle of the street. Seriously. He said the second one. It's too early in the morning for this stuff, y'all. Too early. I'm gonna see you guys shortly when I can find out where he claimed the pickup. We was here last time. Maybe because it's so dark I couldn't see. I'll see you guys shortly, okay? Hold the line, please.
It's on. It's on.
Yeah. Today is a good day, y'all. He starts already. I gotta mess up my flow.
Hey, YouTube, how y'all doing? She came to pick me up from work, and she got lost. But I wouldn't believe it. What is up with these things?
I didn't get lost.
Crazy.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
that's too good.
Y'all, he complain about everything.
I'm just saying, they don't taste too good.
Okay. Probably because they're not generic. Real things.
Yeah, this way you look at it anyway.
I know. This is the
All
way.
you had to do is go down Solon Road, baby.
Would you don't be saying it on here? They don't even know nothing. No road, y'all. No road. No road. But good morning.
Well, how y'all doing, y'all? I miss y'all. I've been trying to get my life in order. Doing things right. Wife been driving me crazy. No, I'm just playing.
Your wife been driving you crazy, but your wife been getting that house together though, right, y'all? So we're going to attempt to go to Ace Hardware to see if I can get the cross brackets. But y'all remember what I say, right? Today is a great day.
I'll show y'all what I'm looking like today, right? Looking a little fly right now.
I ain't gonna do nothing but laugh. I'm just gonna laugh.
So I got my Argyle hookup on. Looking real fresh. Looking like a man's supposed to look with my fur hat.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, I miss y'all.
Outfit of the day, y'all.
I ain't seen y'all in a while.
OOTD.
Yeah, looking fresh today, y'all.
OOTD.
It's the old school way, y'all. Y'all ain't hip to this right here. Just waiting for y'all time.
So guys, I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware because that's the only hardware that I think
See
is
these
in our
big
area.
nuts she got? She gonna eat all these too, watch y'all.
I'm not eating on them.
She gonna eat all these. She gonna say she gonna eat them. She
I'm
gonna put them in the house and they gonna be gone. Either these or these.
No, I'm gonna put them in
Gone.
I'm gonna put them in Sonali's bag. That's back there.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? And you know this. You know that's all these brands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where most of these go. Oh
Yeah. Wow, I didn't know that.
That's where most of them go to all these.
But yeah,
Yeah, you could have came this way.
I know, but I'm just gonna go down and then we'll go across. Telling me what to do, how to drive, and all that good stuff. I've been driving way before you.
I know that's right.
I was born before you, so I've
I know
been
that's
driving
right. She
before
ain't
you.
been nothing but a month older than me. Y'all, I seem like I'm the oldest. At times.
Don't believe the hype. Don't believe it. But guys, we'll be back, okay? Oh wait, that's I don't know.
But you have to drill your own holes and cut it to size you want.
Right, and you said it's $12.99? You don't have nothing that's like thinner. Where did he go? Mark! Mark! Like something a little bit thinner. You talking about it's it came, yeah, because they on there they're like this size. They're like that.
Dinner.
Huh?
Dinner.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. How much is that one?
$6.49.
Huh?
Free, no hassle.
Hopefully you guys can see me. My head is not chopped off. But yeah. So guys, trying to think where we left off. Oh, so we have to go back back to the Ace Hardware again with the measurements, because I wasn't even thinking, neither was he. We had the paper and stuff, but we didn't put the measurements of what size we need for the actual crossbar. So hopefully that will be taken care of soon. He has a some kind of drill thing, because the guy said, so basically we gotta buy two pieces. Two pieces is gonna be, they're $6.99 a piece. So what's that, y'all? That'd be $14 and some change. So really, if you think about it, 14, that's almost close to $25, y'all, for the actual amount it was gonna cost if they deliver it to us. So just think, drilling and all that you gotta do to work. So I don't know. I'll give it a couple of days and see what we're gonna do. But I do want the crossbars on there. And then I think I did tell you guys that you can also put, oh, that's what we forgot to look for the black, it's like black wire that you can buy to do that also. And it'll be wired crossbar. So yeah, that's what that is. We did not have measurements for that, so oh well. And I am really, really tired, y'all. He's asleep, so you're probably gonna be sleeping all day. But let me see. Somebody came, which I'm happy about, y'all. Somebody came yesterday, y'all. After I did that video with you guys yesterday, I think I told y'all yesterday I was gonna put that chair on Marketplace. And somebody, I put it on there. It could have been like 3:30. Someone came and got it like at 7 o'clock. And it was so nice. The lady, she was nice. She said she actually was doing it for her daughter. She said her daughter does a lot, and she wanted to surprise her when she came home from work. She's redoing her bedroom. So I thought that was really, really cute. I thought it was nice, y'all. It's some nice folks in the world, y'all. So I'm getting ready to go to the Benz, the one that's not too far from my house. I'm gonna do that. It's really sunny here. Just want to get out and soak in some of this sunshine, get some of this vitamin D, because for the last couple of days it has been very, very gloomy here, and I think it has messed like with everybody's gloom and doom, you know. So I'm just taking advantage of. I'm not gonna be laying up in no house, but I ain't gonna lie. When I get back, I am gonna go to sleep because I'm extremely tired, because I'm doing a little bit more than I normally do, because we're strapped right now with one vehicle. So it's okay though. Everything's okay, y'all. So always remember, everything ain't gonna go your way, but however it go, it's a good day, okay? It's a good day. It's a beautiful day. Be blessed with all you do. Love on others, and do your part, okay? I can't turn on this light. So yeah, guys, I don't know what your weather is, but if it's sunny, get yourself out there and get you some sunshine, okay? So, yeah, people are out, y'all. They ain't playing. People are out. So guys, I'll see you guys in a little while. Hopefully, I'm not even gonna say hopefully I find anything, because today is not even really one of them days. Like I said, I just wanted to get out. So why not go there and get out? You know what I mean? I'm using that as an excuse. But I'm not looking for anything particular. So if I find anything, y'all already know she's gonna bring you guys along. She always do. And yeah, be great. I'll be back, y'all. Don't go nowhere. I'll be back.
That's already put together.
Right, but I'm just right there by the door. Okay. Okay.
I'm like afraid, like I want to buy this, but like what if I don't like it at my house?
Hey guys. Oh, I'm back. I just wanted to talk to y'all before I show y'all. Oh my God, y'all already seen what I found. Like, my intentions were going to the store. I was just really going to look around, like I said, guys, just to see, you know, if they had anything, and just to browse, just to get out of the house, because like I said, it's sunny outside. So I went in there. Everything in their bins were $10 today, which I don't. In the bins is like pillows, knick-knack things and stuff like that. But I said no, I don't need that. And then I just walked in the back, guys. The chairs that I got today, I got both chairs for $45. Okay, I actually was in there looking for a chair like for the living room. I just was looking at it like another chair for the living room space, and then I'm thinking like, why am I looking for something, you know, for the living room space when the living room is fine? If we need a dining room taken care of, we needed 2 extra chairs. Everything back there was 75% off, guys. I got 2 of those chairs for $45. Both chairs. They are sleek, mid-century modern. They have the same base as the other ones, and they are charcoal gray. Like a charcoal gray black and a gray. So the gray matches the rug and the black goes with like the accent stuff. I'm just too floored. And then I was thinking, they're not, you know, the 2 chairs that I got are that color, and then the cream ones, but everything goes together. It really works. And like nowadays, that's what people are going for, you know, 4 chairs with 2 different matching, 2 different sets of 2 different style chairs. But guys, I'm so excited. $45? Oh my gosh, like, I'm gonna take y'all in there and show y'all. Okay, but I was back here chilling, watching my, one of the people I like watching. Y'all ever watch, what is it? I'll show y'all. Glimpse of Royalty. That's their channel, Glimpse of Royalty. So I was doing that, and I was like, let me come on here and let me just talk to them and show them. So guys, I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna end this video. So like this video, share this video with everybody that you love. If they like, you know, living simple on a budget, that's what this channel is all about. Finding deals, I like to share them with you. So if you like this video, thumbs this video up. Hit that like button, okay? Love yourself such as you love others, and this world will be a much better place. So I am going to the next part of the video you're gonna see is the chairs in the dining room. So like I said, thumbs up the video, like this video, let me know what y'all think. And did she do it? Did she do it? I think I did. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.